What's up, everybody? I am back finally, and today I'm doing something a little bit different than usual. I am actually giving out this station asset for free, so you are welcome to download it and use it for whatever you want. If you do use it in a video or anything like that, just please credit me if you would. And you may remember I did have a Patreon going on, and while that is still there, I am trying to shift focus straight back to the YouTube channel because I am going to school soon and I don't have quite enough time to run both. So I would rather run the YouTube channel because it's a bit more freeing and a bit more fun. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this model. It has an array modifier, so you can make it as long as you want. It also can be mirrored, so that you can make it a double station. So yeah, go wild with it. And good luck. Send me what you do with it, because I'd love to see. All right, see you later.